2 equals p cube. What is the value of p? To do this, I'm going to take cube root of both sides. So this 3 as exponent, this 3 as root can be cancelled off. The value of p is going to be cube root of 2. Now we are going to find the value of 8p, which means 8 times the value of p cube root of 2. Let's see what is the correct answer. Option D. But wait, it can be the correct answer? Absolutely not. Why? This is second root, and here we have cube root. So what should we do to find the correct answer? This is not correct. 8p. What is the value of 8? 8 can be written in the form of 2 cube times p. What is the value of 2? 2 is p cube, right? I write here p cube. So let's see, what do we have? P cube raised to the power of 3 times p. What is this? P cube raised to the power of 3 is p raised to the power of 3 times 3, or 9 times p. What is this? As you know, a to the power of m times a to the power of n, same base, right? A base at exponents. So it is going to be p to the power of 9 times p to the power of 1, or p to the power of 9 plus 1 is 10. And this is the correct answer. Option